Okay. Let's talk about law of attraction affirmations. What are affirmations, and can you give us some examples?
Sure. When I write the Psyche goal with somebody, we do it in the form of an affirmation, and it might say something to the effect that I am living my highest good. I have more than enough money to meet my expenses and to also achieve some of my wants. So that's an affirming statement that they're at their highest good. They're able to meet and achieve what their goals are financially, and they have money left over. And so by writing that, seeing that, and saying it out loud and muscle testing it to see if that's what they want, that's helping your brain to hear, that's my mission. Okay, I can do that. Because what you send out to the universe is what you're going to get.
Hmm. Is there a certain number of times that people should practice their affirmations?
What I have people do, especially those that are feeling low self-esteem, is we together come up with 10 positive statements. And they have to be written in positive language, not negative. And then I have them repeat them out loud 3 times a day into a mirror, because it's important for them to see themselves doing that. Because usually when they first do it, they're so embarrassed or there's tears because I don't believe this. I don't know why I'm doing this. I said, keep doing it, keep doing it. And the more that they do it, when a negative happens in their life, they've already got that imprint in their brain of those 10 positive things. It wipes out the negative.
Hmm. Once you've made your affirmation, is it a good idea to just let it go and let the universe go to work?
Well, periodically when I'm working with somebody, we go back and we look at the affirmations. And if the one that they had the hardest with, they now, yes, that's true. I accept that. I know that about me. Then we add new ones.
Hmm. Can someone obsess too much over what they're trying to attract into their life?
Yes. And we talk about that. So it's the difference between it's the journey that's the important part of it, not the goal, not the accomplishment of it. So we talk about what are you learning about yourself in this process? And so, what you have learned in this process, how can you apply it to other areas of your life? Instead of, I wanted to get that Mercedes, I got the Mercedes, it's done, the excitement's gone. What did you learn in the process of getting there? How can you use that in other areas of your life? And once they learn to do that, they're good.